Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, we're gonna test a product. So the product is still in the box over here and we're gonna open this together guys. So this one is from Amazon. So do you want me to test out this product? So we're gonna test this out guys. So are you guys ready? Let's open this product right here. So I have a pen here. I like to use a pen to open a box. Open this. That there you go. So I'm excited to try this one. I've been busy really last couple of weeks and I think these arrived probably almost 2 weeks now, and just get a chance to like finally open this. Oh my god, wow, I like the packaging. Nice, look at this. So this is a juicer guys. Let's put the box in there. Wow, what's the name of this? CalmDo. So it's a portable juicer guys, so that means it's easy for us to carry this around if we go travel. Last month I bought a juicer from Amazon, so you know, like the big juicer. So that juicer was kind of big. That was my first time owning a juicer. It works pretty good guys. I enjoyed really like juicing, but this is really interesting because this is portable. Let's see if you can see it. So that's the name, CalmDo portable juicer. I like the color. It's red. It's pretty nice. There you go. Oh, I really like the box guys. It's so fancy. Okay, there you go. And of course it comes with a manual, user manual, and it has like a warranty card also. Super cute. Oh my god, there you go. I really love the color guys. Prohibited to put much acidic and hard ingredients like lemon or carrot. Oh, okay. Power button over here. But by the way, it still comes with 2 boxes here. Let's see what's inside. It comes with a, what is this? A bag. Ooh, this is perfect. So you can put this in the bag while you travel like that. There you go. Oh my god, I really like this idea. Like you can just carry it anywhere you want. And what else comes with it? Okay, it comes with a brush. Look at this brush, it's super cute. And of course there's the wire over here. Let's see how long is the wire. It's like a USB charger. There's no blade. Wow, there's no like sharp blade. So I am back guys, and we are done washing this thing over here. So I make sure that it's clean and it's ready to use. So what I'm gonna do now is I need to assemble this again. Okay, this thing will go underneath over here. So need to lock it. Okay, now we put it all together. I think that's it. It's supposed to be like that. Now I understand. This small cup over here, this is where the pulp gonna go, and the big cup over here, this is where the juice gonna go. Blinking red, like it's flashing red right now. And it also says here that double click to start. So obviously I'm not gonna start yet because we still need our fruits. Okay, we are back guys, ready to dive into our portable juicer over here. So this thing over here guys, this is where we're gonna use to push the fruits. I did not finish the whole 2 apples because I think that's enough. Maybe this is like 1.5 apples. So let's take it out guys. Okay, it looks like it's a lot, right? But when you take it out, it's kind of look like this. So this is only the juice that we got, and this is the pulp is over here. Okay, so there's the pulp.
Pulp is so.
It's almost full, as you can see. So there's the juice over here, the one that we got, and let's transfer it.
Not wait.
Yeah, you cannot wait. Okay, let's see. So there you go. So we put like 1 orange and 1.5 apples. You fully charge it first, guys, before you use it, because if not charged, it's not gonna work at all. Yeah. It's good. Wanna try it? Yeah, you're gonna get some straw. How is it?
It's very good. It's very good. It's very good.
He said it's very good. So
That's the drink I'm looking for.
that's the drink you're looking for. So it's not bad, but it's just like I really had hard time using it, guys, at first, because I did not charge it, like unbox it and use it right away. I didn't know that I have to wait for 1 to 2 hours before I can fully like use it. Didn't even charge it all the way, you know what I mean? So maybe it got charged only for 15 minutes, guys, and I was able to use it for like 1 apple and 1 orange. I'm gonna link it down below, guys, the exact product, and you can buy this one on Amazon. You can check it out, guys. You decide if you want to buy it or not. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.